I gotta make sure it's right.
Look out. How many viewers you got on there? Man, y'all go follow Ali, man. I don't even know my
I don't
Facebook.
even know.
Bro, you fucking late, dude.
I just got the call.
You waiting on the car?
It's over there. I got it in line.
Hey, I'll give you my footage if you want to chop shit up and do shit with
I'll
it
do
every
it.
time, bro. Anytime you need it.
Big.
I'm gonna put it all up tonight anyway.
Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Yeah. Got an old block 350 back there, 010 block. You know about that 010 block? I just seen one. Let's see what that. Hey, miss. Hey, miss. Miss, somebody on my YouTube said that's an 010 block. You know about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an 010.
That's high nickel.
Yeah, the high nickel block. What you know about that 350? That's a 3.
Fucking sure.
Yeah, that's that 350, y'all. What y'all know about them flat tops?
That's high nickel.
High nickel, baby. They say you don't gotta worry about cracking a block that much with them. Oh, I gotta go move my car up. Dang. Let me get this race. Oh, man. I ain't blocking nobody. Dang, I wonder if my phone went up in the Mustang. Oh, you were there with Tom Gunner?
Yeah, man. He left on that car and everything.
He was gone? Dang, man. Golly. Oh, I just came back. Oh, yeah, I did get that message. Yeah, that number is good. Okay. It ain't letting them leave, y'all. Bust straight loose. I'ma see what mine do. I'll probably do the same thing. Hey, what's up with it? I'm out. man. Look out, what's up with it? Yeah, okay, I'm back there, ain't in nobody way. Look out, what's up with it? And okay, what he finna do, y'all? No headers on. I mean, they open header. Keep it running.
My boy, look, I got the Mustang back.
Yeah, I got it back. What's up with it? We got family brothers in the building. Might be time to go get my shit. Go pull my shit out. Oh, now. Everybody done scooted up now. Yeah, I'm gonna be live. I got a phone mount in there. I got a phone mount. We're gonna let them go up. I'm gonna be last. We're gonna make sure we get everybody up. Okay, oh boy, they brought the money, Carlo back. Got Keezy back in the building. Keezy, what you gonna do, man? You ain't in no class no more, right?
Motor to motor, he get the back tire.
Motor, he get the back tire?
That's right.
Okay, I need to get a bet. I know you gonna get him. I'm bad with Keezy, y'all.
Hey,
Hey, big head. They can go in front of you. You want them to go in front of you? Okay, now they said hold out before he put his muscles to work on y'all ass.